Imagine seeing an ad while commuting and being able to order it right then and there. Sounds pretty convenient, right? This is something already being done by Ikea in Thailand. See their ad placements that use the smart retail solution located in a high-traffic train station in this video. All that customers have to do is scan the QR code to be redirected to the product page and check out anywhere, anytime. No need to even go to the physical store. Now, imagine making that possible for your business. Interested? Contact us at chat@chatgenie.ph to learn more about it.